Hello and welcome. What we're going to look at today is how to process a refund and issue payment through a non-credit card options such as check. So let's get started. We're already within our transactions section, and for our purposes today, we're looking at our demo server, meaning these are all transactions that belong to us. And what we can see here is the very first item, which I've purchased, which is a career ad, and I wish to, at this point, refund this item in full. So I'm just going to click on the kebab on the right here, and I'm going to click on refund items. At this time, I'm not changing any of these details. I am refunding exactly as the purchase was made, so 100% refund, along with refunding or canceling any submission forms as well that belong to this transaction as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and refund this as is. And instead of clicking finalize and process credit card payment, we're going to just click finalize transaction. Now we can see here that a refund transaction has been created. So we're now ready to enter this refund amount here, which I'm then going to record as a check payment. So I'm just going to go under the kebab, under related, and I'm going to scroll down to transaction payments. I'm going to go ahead and click on new payment. And since this is a check and I do want to try this out as a check, I'm going to leave it as is. And the amount is going to be now a negative amount. So I'm putting in minus 50.85 because that is the total amount that I'm refunding. In the comments, I'm just going to put in, this is a refund by check. And I'm just going to go ahead and submit that. Now our payment is in the system. If we head back to the transaction section, we can see here that this refund for the original amount of 50.85 has now been fully paid or refunded, and the refund itself is now settled. At this point, there is nothing else for you to do. However, you can confirm by clicking on the kebab and click on view that everything is done. In this case, we see the receipt, we see the original transaction, and we also see the refund at this point. And that concludes our short example of how to issue a refund by check. Thanks for watching.